In this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $200 every single day promoting Digistore24 products. And I guarantee you, if you stick with me to the end of this video, then you are on your way to making passive income promoting affiliate products. So the website I'm about to show you today is a website nobody talks about on YouTube. And this website gets over 250 million views every single month. You can see majority of the traffic comes from first world countries, and that tells you that you can get a lot of sales as long as you are promoting to these countries right here. Okay, so the website in question is called tumblr.com. So basically, this is a social media platform where people come to share their articles, images, video, or audio files. So this website is not as popular as the likes of Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram, which makes it a plus for affiliate marketers, which means you can come over to this platform and start promoting your affiliate offers, because so many affiliate marketers are not using this website at all. And you can see this is a single post right here, an image right here, and you can see over 70,000 notes on this image. So this note right here is just like likes on Facebook and Instagram. All right, and you can see right here, these are just basic hashtags right here, and this is just a one-line post right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to tap into this website and use it to make passive income. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to the marketplace section of your Digistore24 account. The first step is to look for a product that actually solves people's problem, because that way you have a greater chance of making a sale, because everyone wants to solve their problem one way or the other. All right, so to do that, all you just need to do is to come over to this section right here where it says digital products. As you can see right here, the products have been categorized into several categories. All right, so now an example of product that actually solve people's problem is health and fitness, which is there. As you can see right here, we also have job and employment, and also make money online niche right here, which is the internet marketing and e-business, and also social media right here, people trying to grow their following on various social platforms. So these are examples of niches that are actually solving people's problem. So I'm going to be taking this internet marketing as an example. All right, so as you can see right here, I have access to over 80 products right here that I can choose and start promoting right away. So now I'll be taking this product right here as an example, because as you can see right here, the popularity of this product is 4 out of 5, which means a lot of affiliates have made money promoting this product, and the payout is decent, $27.60, which means for everyone who purchased this product using your link, you get paid $27. All right, so all you just need to do from here is to click on this promote now button right here to grab your affiliate link. So once you grab your affiliate link, you want to make sure you review the sales page of this product to actually make sure that it's worth your time. All right, so basically if you scroll down, you can see these are reviews on this page right here. Okay, and these are also screenshots of people making money using this product right here. Like I said earlier, you want to go for a product that actually helps people solve their problem. All right, so basically this one right here has reviews from people who have used this product and it has solved their problem. All right, so now we are going to be looking for people who are going to be interested in this product right here. So to do that, the first step is to go back to Tumblr right here, and all you just need to do is click on this sign up right here to create an account, and you can create your account using your Google, Apple, or email right here. So basically, once you create your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a social media platform where you can literally share any content with people on this platform. As you can see, you can share a text-based content, you can share a photo content, you can share a code, you can share a link, you can share audio, and you can also share video. All right, so what you want to do from here is very simple. We are going to be using the text option right here. So if you click on this text right here, all right, as you can see right here, you are going to type in the title of your content, and you are also going to type in the content right here. So to do that, all we just need to do is to go over to Google real quick, and you want to type in something like how to make money online from home. As you can see right here, since we are promoting a make money online product, so that is the reason why you want to do that. So once you've done this, all you just need to do is to pick one of the articles on Google first page right here. If these articles are ranking on the first page of Google for this keyword, then that means a lot of people are getting value from this article. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example, which is the first one. So as you can see here, this article is talking about 25 different ways to make money online from home. All right, so now you can, if I scroll down, you can see this is the first one right here. So basically what you want to do is very simple. You want to be smart about this. You want to give the title how to make money online right here. And for the description of this post, you want to basically go back to this website right here. And then as you can see, the first one here says pick up freelance work online. So now what you want to do from here, you want to basically highlight this right here. Then you come back to paraphraser.io and you want to paste it right here. And then you want to click on paraphrase now. So all you just need to do once the text has been paraphrased, you want to copy this right here. And then you want to basically go back to your Tumblr and you want to paste it right here. Okay, so now the next step is to go back to this website and you want to pick this number one method right here, which is to work as a freelancer online. And you want to go back to your Tumblr account and you want to paste that at the top of this post right here. And then you want to give it number one. All right, you want to highlight this number one right here. And once you highlight that, all you just need to do is click on this link icon right here. And then you want to go back to your Digistore account and you want to copy your affiliate link. Then you want to paste in the affiliate link right here and click on done. All right, so when people see this article and they click on this number one link right here, they are going to be redirected to this affiliate product right here. Okay, so once you do this, all you just need to do is to add a few tags related to make money online. All right, so I'm just going to type something like make money. You can see right here, these are some suggested tags right here. So I'm going to type in another tag right now. All right, so basically these are just a few tags that I'm going to type so as not to prolong this video. So you want to basically type in about 10 tags right here. All right, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on post right here. All right, so once you click on post, you want to refresh the page. So once you refresh the page, you are going to see the post right here. All right, so as you can see, this is the post right here. And if anyone clicks on this link right here, they will be taken to this Digistore24 product right here. So now this is the first step. You want to repeat the same step for the other 24 ways to make money online right here. As you can see, this is the second one right here, testing websites. And you can see another one right here, taking surveys. So you want to do exactly what I just did right here. As you can see, this is number one. You are going to make another post and you want to title it how to make money online. And now instead of writing number one here, you are going to come over to this website to pick this number two right here. And you want to paraphrase it so as not to get into any copyright issues. All right. And you want to make sure the number two, you want to link it to the Digistore24 product. So basically that is all you need to do. A lot of people are going to see the post and some of them are going to get interested by clicking on this link right here. And once they do, you are going to start driving traffic to this affiliate link right here. And some of them are going to purchase the product. And keep in mind, you don't have to use the make money online niche alone. Like I showed you earlier, you can come over here and choose other niches as well. All right. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please smash that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.